Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a salad, Moroccan salad with red cabbage. It's very delicious and nutritious and easy to make. And your family will love this kind of salad. Look, the color is so nice and it tastes also good. For the ingredients we need red cabbage, shredded. You can buy it shredded or you buy a head of cabbage and you cut it. We need some olive oil, some apple cider vinegar and raisins. Yes, raisins. You can use one kind or two kind of raisins. And also a small or a half spoon of honey. Now I take my shredded red cabbage. I put it on a mixing bowl. Then add the raisins. You can use one kind or two kinds, whatever kind you prefer. Some salt. I'm using here the vinaigrette. That means salt, black pepper, and usually you use vinegar or lemon as acid, and the olive oil. This is 4 ingredients for the vinaigrettes. Salt, black pepper, some olive oil. If you don't like olive oil, you can use any regular oil. And I'm using here apple cider vinegar. Also, you can use lemon juice or the white distillate vinegar. That's it. And a little bit of honey, not that much. It goes really good with the cabbage. You see, not that much. Then I mix everything together. Believe me, when you try this salad, you will love it. You will love the red cabbage this way. It's different because it has some raisins, but it's delicious. That's it. You mix it and it's ready to serve. Now we will transfer it to the serving plate. This salad, you can mix it and leave it on the fridge until you are ready to eat it and nothing happen to it. And this salad tastes good even next day. Is like a coleslaw with red cabbage. Try it and let me know in the comments how did you like it. I'm sure whoever try it, will love it. Thank you for watching and see you next time in a new recipe. Enjoy!